Everyone, it's Sorkin. Today we are going to solve longest substring without repeating characters problem. So what's the problem? The problem is we are given a string and we need to find the longest substring without repeating characters. For example, in this case, it's ABC. So how we can do that? In our case, we are going to use a sliding window approach. We are going to maintain two variables, I and j. So for example, in this case, first we are going to move I as far as we can move. So as far as we can move, I can move here without repeating characters, right? And we can move I until here. So how we are going to check that is there any repeating characters or not? For that, we are going to create a set, and at every step, set of characters, and at every step we are going to add our character to our set. So for example, we are adding A, we are adding B, and we are adding C, and the next character is A. A already exists. We are removing that from our set, and now we start to move our I. So we are moving our I here. At each step, we are checking that the size of our set. So our maximum or our array, our substring without repeating characters can be as long as our size of our set. So we are, in this case, the size of our set can be 3, right? When we are adding all the three characters, which we are going to return. Okay, first thing we are going to do, let's just create our j that we are going to use for sliding window. Let's create j, right? And also let's create our maximum that we are going to return. Let's return our max, okay? So now we can iterate over our string. So, but before doing that, let's also create our set of characters where we are going to, we are going to use it to check that if the character is unique, meaning like in our substring, is it unique or not? So let's create our hash set, and let's create our hash set. Now we can iterate over our string. So while our j is less than our s length, so we are gonna check how we are gonna move the j pointer first. So we are going to check if our string, if our set already contains that character, contains s character at j. So character at j. So if it does not contain, if our set does not contain it, so what's that mean? It means that it's a unique character, and we should add that to set as first thing, right? We are adding character at j, so we are adding that. Besides that, we need to update our maximum. So our max is maximum of, we are taking our maximum and whatever the size of our set at the moment, right? Size. Else, if we already have the character, it means that it's a duplicate. So it means that in our substring it's a duplicate. So we need to remove that from the set. Remove from the set, and remove from the set. So we are removing s character at I, right? And also we are incrementing I here. Now we are moving our I. And that's it. Let me see. Yeah, let's run it. Okay, character. And also s. And we need to also add here j. We need to increment our j. Okay, we forgot to do that. Okay, we are running it. Okay, great. It works as expected. What's the time and space complexity of this solution? The time complexity of this solution is of n, because we are solving our problem in one pass, right? And it's equal to the size of the string. For the space complexity, in the worst case scenario, we are going to the size of our set will be if let's say all characters are unique, then the size of the set will be size of the set will be equal to O of n. So it's determined by the size of the set. So in the worst case, it's gonna be O of n also. Okay, that's it for today. Hope you like my content. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye.